Hey, if you want to be a salsa ninja, check this out right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another salsa tutorial.
My name is Herman.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Latin Dance Movement. Hey guys, listen, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe here for more salsa tutorials, and if you have any questions, post them down below. Enjoy the video, guys.
Let's jump right into it, guys.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna switch that hand, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that was a right turn. I lift the hand up on 1. So I switch on 5, lift on 1, turn her 2, 3. Okay? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch, 6, 7, lift. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you guys the switch of the hands. Look at this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5, 6, 7. Notice 1, 2, 3. That the switch happens when the hand is inside. Watch. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. Okay? Makes sense? A little closer. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Let's see it again from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5, 6, 7. Race. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From here, you're going to give a hairbrush left travel turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So let's do that again. On 1, I have 3 things to do. I have to ask for the hand, I have to open up, and I have to do a hairbrush. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. Last time, 5, 6, 7, 1. Notice that I open up, I put the hand a little bit far so that it makes her walk forward. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. On 3, I lift up the hand closer to her face, but closer to my side. Not that way, but this way. Look at this for a second. So when you're leading her, you have to put the hand, if you're gonna turn her this way, the hand has to come that way, obviously. But here's how you're doing it. 1, 2, close to her face, and then slightly to the outside of her face. So you're here. Not all the way over here. So you're not doing this. 1, 2. You're keeping that circle tiny. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And then from there, another right turn. This time I'm asking for the hand on top. I'm lowering the left hand. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Hairbrush catch the shoulder. I'll do it again. So I'm here, left to left, coming out of the left travel turn. I'm going to go into a right turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. On 6, I do a hairbrush. And when I let go of that hand, I catch the shoulder. For you, for the followers, you're keeping the hand across your chest. Don't bring it all the way down. And then you're here. Let's see that one last time. You're left to left. 5, 6, 7. Ask for the hand. 1, 2, 3. Hairbrush. 5, 6. Shoulder. Across the chest. I'm going to give her a left turn in place. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. A right turn. 1, 2, 3. hairbrush, 6, 7, and I cross body lead, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see that again. Very, very slow. So I'm here, left to left. I ask for the hand on top with the right hand. I lower the left hand, which is going to put her in a hammer lock. When I turn her around, I do a hairbrush on 6. I catch the shoulder. Then from there, I give her a left turn in place. 1, on 2, I pull her slightly with my right arm, twisting her. This is a broken left turn. And then I'm going to pull with this hand on 3, sending her back, 6, 7. From there, I lift up the hand into right turn, 1, 2, 3, over me, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's the move. Let's see it all the way from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, stretch the hands, 5, 6, 7, turn her 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, hairbrush catch, 2, turn her, 5, 6, 7, right turn, 1, 2, 3, hairbrush, 5, 6, 7, broken left turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right turn, 1, 2, 3, hairbrush cross body lead, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it from this angle. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, switch the hands, 5, 6, 7, raise the hand, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, hairbrush, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, catch her, 7, broken left turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right turn, 1, 2, 3, over me, 6, 7, cross body lead, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.
Are you ready for music? Awesome job for making it all the way to the end of the video.
Great job, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. And if you're a beginner, wants to get out on the dance floor, have all the tools so that you can feel completely comfortable, do me a favor, go to latindancemovement.com/crash course. We have put together this video tutorials that are gonna help you out. It's a complete crash course for any beginners so that you can learn how to dance with only 6 moves. Very simple. You don't need any fancy moves. You don't need to know any complicated turn patterns. All you need are 6 moves to be able to get out on the dance floor. If you wanna learn more about it, go to latindancemovement.com/crash course. Go check that out, guys. Until next time, bam!